How to log in Binance app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can log into Binance app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Logging into Binance app is fairly simple. First, make sure that you download the Binance app and then open it up, and then you're gonna see this type of interface. Now right over here you'll see login or sign up. Now if you don't have an account, you can first tap the sign up option to create your Binance account. But if you already have an account, then you can just tap the login option here. All you have to do is simply make sure to enter your email address associated with your Binance account. After that, tap the next option. Then it will ask you to enter your password. Once you enter your password, you will be successfully signed in to Binance. Now, if your account is connected with Google, you can also select continue with Google instead. Go ahead and then choose to log in with your Google account over here. And then after that, you should be able to enter the codes generated by the Authenticator app, and then you should be able to use them. This way you can log into Binance app. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.